Hello and welcome to a tutorial for 1/1 right cross from Imagine Landscapes. In this tutorial I will knit both with a cable needle and without. So let's do the cable needle first. I've worked up to the 2 stitches involved. I'm going to take the first stitch on the needle and I'm going to slide it onto the cable needle and I'm going to let that hang in the back. So we get our yarn around that. Then I'm going to knit the next stitch on the main needle. Then I'm going to knit one from the cable needle. So I need to get the yarn in the back of that. I let this one hang because I'm using a nice grippy wool. Even though these are metal needles that are quite slick, it still works. So I knit one from the cable needle. And now that leans to the right. Let's do it without a cable needle. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my right needle tip into the second stitch from the front. I pinch the 2 stitches involved between my thumb and finger. I pull my left tip out. That loop is now dangling and I pick it up with the left tip. Then I put this stitch from the right back on the left and now I knit 2. And there we have 2 right leaning 1/1 cross. Happy knitting!